If your income feels like it's vanishing faster than it used to, you're not imagining things. Between regional housing pressures, shifting utility prices, and inflation that's quietly altered the price tag of almost everything, managing money in Europe in 2026 requires a brand new playbook. Whether you're earning in euros, pounds, francs, or krona, standard advice like just stop buying coffee simply doesn't cut it anymore. In this video, we are breaking down two crucial things: the top 4 biggest expenses taking over European household budgets in 2026, a step-by-step budgeting strategy you can implement today to take back control of your cash flow, build savings, and actually enjoy your life. Part 1. Where's the money going? To build a budget that works, you need to know where your cash is actually going. Housing is the single largest burden. In cities like London, Amsterdam, and Dublin, rents take up over 40% and sometimes 60% of a net salary. Number 2. Energy and utilities. Retail rates in countries like Germany, Belgium, and Italy still sit at high historic averages. Third is food and groceries. Supermarket shelf prices remain significantly higher than they were a few years ago. Finally, transportation and mandatory recurring costs. Europe actually shines when it comes to public transport, like Germany's nationwide transit ticket. In 2026, we use a hybrid approach that combines automated tracking with realistic spending buckets, the 50/30/20 framework. In expensive hubs like London, adapt to 60/20/20. Never sacrifice that 20% savings bucket first. Trim the wants bucket instead. Hack number 1. Perform a 90-day subscription audit. Cancel unused streaming or apps and switch to local SIM-only mobile plans. Hack number 2. Buy staple goods at discount stores like Lidl or Aldi and use apps like Too Good To Go for bakery surplus. Hack number 3. Lowering your thermostat by just 1 degree Celsius can reduce your annual heating bill by up to 6% in Europe. Hack number 5. Set up an automatic bank transfer on the first of every month. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Budgeting in 2026 is about gaining clarity so inflation doesn't derail your future. Download the free template and start today. Hit the like button and subscribe for more strategies. What is the single biggest expense in your city? Let's discuss below.